Now we are going to unbox this box, hotspot device. The downside is opening. Okay. After clearing, let's keep aside. Just slide this box outside. Keep aside. Okay. This is the device which we are going to use for unlocking. I can't show this IMEI for the security purpose. Okay, this is the back side. This is the back side. This is the front side. This is the front side. This is the signal indicator, message indicator, hotspot turn on or off. This is a battery indicator. Okay. This is a SIM card slot, reset and SIM card slot. This is a reset button. This is lock hole. This is a reset button. This is SIM card insert hole. This is the WPS button. This is power button. If you long press this button, it will turn on. Power indicator in green, blue, red. It's recognizing. We have a little bit of. This is the charging point. This is a micro USB charging connector. Okay. What's inside the box? Let us see. Inside the box we have one user manual and one micro USB cable. How long it is the USB cable is, and have this. It's well enough. It's about 1 meter. The USB cable is about 1 meter. Quality is good. These are the warranty card. This is the quick start guide. This is the quick start guide of MF920V. First page, second page. You can pause the video and then read yourself. Pause this video and read. Okay, these are the notifications. That's our box. Let's see the unlocking this device to use any SIM card in this one. Okay, 3G, 4G like Jio, Vodafone and Bsnl 3G, all. Okay, let's see.